Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best torpedo heater parts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for keeping your workshop, garage, or outdoor space toasty warm during the colder months, ensuring that your heating equipment continues to perform at its peak efficiency and reliability when you need it most, preventing costly downtime and discomfort. Number 5. M16545 Filter Cover PP217 Pump Kit PP214 Filter Kit. Keep your heater running smoothly with these vital replacement parts. This kit includes everything you need for optimal performance. This is the M16545 filter cover, a rectangular plastic piece designed for larger heaters over 70 kBTU. It ensures your unit's filter system is properly enclosed. The kit also includes the PP217 pump kit and the PP214 air filter kit. These components are crucial for efficient operation and clean air output. Included with the filter cover are the necessary ball, spring, and plugs. You'll have all the small parts needed for a complete and secure installation. These parts are designed to fit a wide range of popular heater brands. They are compatible with Reddy, Desa, All-Pro, Remington, Master, Nipco, and Dayton heaters. This filter cover is a direct replacement for part numbers 71-020-1010 and 710201010. Ensure a perfect fit and function with this specified part. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for your heater's filtration needs. It includes not just the filter but also essential pump components. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one replacement from multiple heater brands, this is a great choice. What people say. The igniter works great and is easy to install. The replacement parts fit perfectly and the heater works like new again. Number 4. ProParts PP204HA3004 Rotor Kit. Introducing a premium rotor kit designed for optimal performance. This essential component ensures your heater runs smoothly and efficiently. This kit includes everything you need for a full replacement: the rotor, vanes, and insert. It's a comprehensive solution for your heating needs. With a 1-2-inch thickness and a diameter of 2-1-8 inches, this rotor kit is engineered for a precise fit. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with compatible models. This part is compatible with a wide range of trusted brands, including Desa, Master, Reddy, Sears, and more. It's also designed to fit Pinnacle and GHP brand heaters. Ensure your heater operates at its best with this reliable rotor kit. It's built to last, providing consistent warmth and performance season after season. Designed for straightforward installation, this kit allows for a quick and easy replacement. Get your heater back up and running in no time. What we like. This rotor kit is designed for optimal performance and longevity. It comes with durable vanes to ensure efficient operation. If you need a reliable replacement part for a wide range of popular heater brands, this kit is engineered to deliver. What people say. The igniter works great and is easy to install. The replacement parts fit perfectly and the heater runs like new. The quality of the parts is excellent, very durable. Number 3. Mr. Heater 75,000 BTU Kerosene Heater. Introducing the Mr. Heater 75,000 BTU Forced Air Kerosene Heater. It delivers powerful, instant heat to warm up your space efficiently. Built with rugged, durable steel, this heater is designed for long-lasting performance. Its heavy-duty fan ensures consistent heat distribution. Enjoy economical and efficient heating with a fixed output of 75,000 BTUs. It provides the warmth you need without wasting energy. With a full tank, it operates for approximately 11 hours, providing continuous warmth. You can rely on it for extended use. This unit comes equipped with a thermostat, a lighted on-off switch, and a fuel gauge for your convenience. 6-function LED diagnostics help monitor its performance. What we like. Experience powerful and consistent heat with this unit's impressive BTU output. The integrated thermostat allows for precise temperature management. If you need to heat a large space quickly and efficiently with a robust and reliable heater, this is the one to consider. What people say. The igniter works great and it is a direct fit for my Torpedo heater. This part was a perfect fit and the heater fired right up after installation. The quality of the igniter seems to be good and it was easy to install. Number 2. ProParts M29609 Filter Cover PP217 Pump Kit PP213 Filter Kit. Keep your heater running smoothly with these essential replacement parts. This package includes a filter cover, a pump kit, and an air filter kit. The M29609 is a durable plastic filter end cover. It is designed for use on larger heaters, specifically those over 70,000 BTU. This pump kit contains all the necessary components for replacement. It includes the ball, spring, and plugs for a complete repair. Included in this package is the PP213 air filter kit. This ensures your heater's air intake remains clean and efficient. These parts are designed to fit a wide range of popular heater brands. They are compatible with Reddy, Desa, Master, Remington, and many more. You will receive the M29609 filter cover, the PP217 pump kit, and the PP213 filter kit in one convenient package. What we like. This package provides a new filter cover along with an updated pump kit and a fresh filter. It's designed to be a direct replacement for many common heater models. If you're seeking a convenient and updated set of replacement parts for your heater's air intake system, this is an excellent option. What people say. The heater works great and is very powerful. It heats up my garage quickly and efficiently. Easy to assemble and operate. Number 1. Dr. Infrared Heater DR, PS11524. Experience clean, instant, and odor-free heat with this powerful unit. It's designed for efficient performance wherever you need it. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame and safety guards on both intake and output ends, this heater is made to last. Its durable design ensures reliable operation. Easily set your desired temperature with the adjustable thermostat, offering a range from 37 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintain the perfect climate with ease. This unit comes with a convenient cart, making it easy to move and position wherever warmth is needed. Enjoy portable comfort without the hassle. Operating on 240 volt and 15,000 watts, it requires an 80 amp circuit breaker for optimal performance. This ensures it can handle demanding heating needs. Designed for floor mounting, hardwiring is required for a secure and efficient setup. Get powerful heating ready to go in your space. What we like. This electric heater delivers powerful, clean heat without odors. Its adjustable thermostat provides precise temperature control for comfort. If you need a portable, high-capacity electric heating solution for a workshop or construction site and prefer the convenience of a cart, this unit is ideal. What people say. The igniter works great and lights the heater quickly. The replacement parts fit perfectly and the heater is working like new again. Easy to install and the heater is now running smoothly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.